cultivators of the earth are the most valuable citizens. They are the most vigorous, the most independent, the most virtuous, and they are tied to their country and wedded to its liberty and interests by the most lasting bands. This quote of Thomas Jefferson still holds true today, and we can proudly say that we are wearing the same band at Aanya Fertilizers. Aanya Polytech and Fertilizers is headed by young entrepreneur Yash Yadav. Aanya was incorporated on January 18, 2011. With the objective of producing high-quality agriculture products and to constantly bring innovations. They are highly demanded among the clients owing to their superior quality.
In 2011, we started with high quality woven sack manufacturing and fertilizer bag manufacturing. Later, in 2015, we started our zinc and other micronutrient manufacturing unit. So we are serving fertilizer and farming industry both.
At our zinc plant, we are producing 18,000 metric tons of zinc sulfate and 5,000 metric tons of micronutrient mixtures. Our organic fertilizer production stands at 20,000 metric tons and we produce around 50,000 metric tons of cattle feed.
Our zinc sulfate unit is the largest in the country. For an expansion plan, we are setting up a bag manufacturing unit made of polypropylene, including BOPP, to cater huge demand in the sectors like fertilizer, food grain, and cement.
We are continuously striving to provide a quality beyond finest in our products. In a nutshell, we are trying to create a better life to our customers.
With the latest machinery and mechanisms, the company manufactures HDPE high-quality bags and PP bags. At Aanya, we have a very impressive annual production capacity. Our HDPE plant is producing 50 million fertilizer bags per year. To serve the ever-expanding demand of bags, we are coming up with another plant of 65 million bags for cement and food grain industry. The company also manufactures zinc sulfate monohydrate, heptahydrate using spray dry machine operated through PLC, micronutrient fertilizers and granulated organic potash through press mud.
We have set a lab with well-equipment AAS and FCO standard.
At Aanya, we do rigorous quality check of all our products to match client requirements.
We have also established another lab for bag packaging to check the quality parameters like denier, weight, elongation, breaking strength, mesh, tenacity to fulfill the requirement of customer and comply the quality standard.
In all, our core values drive our day-to-day business and define who we are as a company. Our motto: to be recognized as one of the best brands by delivering quality products at best price across the globe.
Our company culture is employee and customer centric. We believe an organization can be successful if the employees and customer are satisfied, which also highlights the efficiency, effectiveness and hard work of the management.
Well, our vision is very simple. We want to become a leader in fertilizer and woven sec industry. We want to be known as innovator rather than a profit-making company.